Today we're making honey butter. We're using Anna Garten's recipe, and we're going to start with a 1/4 pound of butter. Anna is using unsalted. I'm going to use salted and just omit the salt that she's going to be adding. Next up, we need honey, 3 tablespoons. There are 3 tablespoons in a 1/4 cup, hence my rough measurements. Now, if you spray your tablespoon with a little bit of cooking spray, it will come out quite easy, or you can just use a spatula. And then it's time for cinnamon. We're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon. And then you can absolutely do this in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment and just mix it until it comes together. As for me, I'm going to do it by hand. It'll just take a little longer, but we will get there. If you are using unsalted butter, you will add an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And since I'm using salted butter, I am leaving my salt out. Once your butter has all come together, it is ready to use. So there were a couple of commenters on Ina's recipe that said this tasted very similar to the Texas Roadhouse butter that they serve with their delicious rolls. Some people said that they like to put it on their waffles. You could absolutely just put it on some toast, or serve it with your Thanksgiving rolls. And since Thanksgiving is coming up for you guys, I thought this would be a great recipe. Try this out and let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description for you guys. And if you need a recipe for some easy, delicious, homemade dinner rolls for Thanksgiving, go ahead, click here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.